Still live, what's the life, what's the live, what's the life. Back again with another video, back again with another reaction. First things first, I'd like to apologize for the previous episode when I reacted to this Treasure Show. I didn't finish the whole video. I thought I was doing the right thing because I wanted people to go watch the full video or the full episode on the Treasure Show channel, but people came and said, nah bro, we already watched the whole thing on the main channel, on the Treasure Show channel. We came here to watch the full reaction. So, and apparently I missed the best part. I thought I covered all the best parts, but they said I missed the best parts. So I'm about to check it out. Thank you all guys for engaging. I always say this, as long as we engage and in a respectful way, I don't mind. I'm willing to learn from y'all guys. Like, I'm doing this thing for y'all. Y'all are the reason why I'm here, because you know, if y'all are not watching, then who am I doing it for? So part 2, let's do it together. I think I left it here, so let's check it out. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, do the most. Let's go.
It's bitter that Bagani is killing his dream. Toodles.
Oh, okay, I see it. Okay, I see it. I see it.
The big switch.
Ipagania ka. Yeah. I'm just doing it alanyana Bengitinga zile bazothenga le game lapha sengimedita wana livume sovula case baba insane lapha na shade lapha what it is great wina ngakoranga ngayibuka imatch stain baba nyazi uzothinika wanomona amakhosi bona ukwatile nakwazi ukuthoma ngetrophy vele ngibambile sobamba umoya ungayidonse ngoba ngihluleke ngenyawo sekungcono ngithenga ama points
Thola kuphi imali yokuthenga trophy. The only cup you get is probably a cup of coffee. Sinshaya 3-0 first game ningakhoshi.
The only cup you get is probably a cup of coffee. Damn, Twizer.
ngoba ngihluleke ngenyawo sekungcono ngithenga ama points
Thola kuphi imali yokuthenga trophy. The only cup you get is probably a cup of coffee. Sinshaya 3-0 first game ningakhoshi ukuthi iskobo ngathi lu straw njengecoach. Mafuna case yamabhiya jika majika chase down la abokapadia ukhala blind that's black and white Bagani.
Dona nganwebedela ama-trophy angaduty phela iwina oringa ngayo wayithola ngenxa yomuthi acaba ukuthi ezama-shooting nasicambi ne-call of duty but the beauty okudlala futhi ngayibopha ukuthi ungangihluthi so just cut the BS ungibonge ngokhosa PF as if it wasn't for TS the course ngabe yun TS nakhona kuthathe like 3 years ukuzama prove it only 3 points ukugcina bakucharge emalini obi
wabona froze wena inkinga you lost mele ngukufake ku-microwave you need to defrost njengemosquito eluma umuntu kwi-crocs kodwa ukuluma ibhakaniya inkinga sifaka ama-cox nama-blocks anything that striker who called the cops don't you pretty witty next to some city sitting in flop it's a pity really oh willy-nilly thinking lit up but what's really silly we want the million never stop you will flop cause you're a bad listener njengo-block and you're a bad listener njengo-block and it's kept you Stella Bosch njengelock.
Oh, this is the combination that the game has been missing all along. Like, I remember reacting to Foz. He used to do these recaps, especially after the derby. And whenever I would react to his videos, people would spam in the comments and say, yo, you need to check this guy out. This guy is dope. This guy has to be on the Treasure Show. Bro, the chemistry, yo.
Had to dash your dreams like water and whiskey on the rocks. You a child, I'm your pops. Your old miles make your horn.
ungayithathi ngenhliziyo shaqoqa chuchu just calm down angifuna ukukhombisa ngo7 ngoba ngibaby sundown ngobazam nalento ngitshela yona story standard sofuna ukungidefrosta ma11 yaka lo msangano at vele ngizokhuluma ngeke uthole nokuphumula wasukuma inanyo sinda umqolo njengombuthuma wangikhumbuza ngesitele bosh ngiyacaba bese ukhudola ngithi ubanika isniper amanyiwa bakhona ukudubula ngiyacatha ngesquad esigcwele ngenkomo sekwibeef wamangala siyacaba umthengile unkomo ujwayele ukwina ngomthangala wochoma ngathi unekhono phela usipisi nayo indaba ngibagcwala usinda ngohodo manje
Chichi vum 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 udom kanje uronga nje coach gone kanje mithi chichi vum 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 udom kanje uronga nje coach gone kanje aphela thina sifaka ipressure njengevile efuna upressure esigodini siyabastressa ama-wini siyacollecta ama-deal siyaselecta partnership nama-investor overseas siya-impressa TLB begondo udlamini hi-professor usibisi hi-protector u-ozwini uzoyi-collector umore.
Hey, nah, this is a war. Nah, guys, we're in the war. we're experiencing a back-to-back, a legendary back-to-back. I don't think we'll ever experience this type of thing ever, bro. Never.
Udom kanje, udom kanje, urong kanje, coach gone kanje. Aphela thina sifaka ipressure njengevile funa upressure esikudini siyabastressa ama-wini siyacollecta ama-deali siyaselecta partnership nama-investor overseas siya-impressa TLB we gonna remember uDlamini hi-professor uSibisi hi-protector u-Ozwini uzoyi-collecta uMoremo uzoyi-connecta uToki uzoyi-defender sibelebele uzoyi-correcta Lewihile uzoyi-injecta when he enters in the center board singaya-transfer Zulu like gas prices
Mntwana sikambayizis rentsembu laka yimayizis fed okujampis orongangwa likhosene
I then let's meet again for the World Cup and summarizing
indaba cabanga ukuthi yangikwatshisa eminibhakane yanyalibandisa yangihlanyisa devuzongihlanyisa
Titi vum 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 udom kanje urong kanje coach gone kanje Titi vum vum udom kanje urong kanje coach gone kanje Titi vum vum udom kanje urong kanje coach gone kanje
Nah, guys, I'd like to apologize. I really missed the best part. What? I didn't know, guys. You see, that's the thing of whenever I watch the Twizer show, I don't want to watch it first, then react. Like everything that you see, it's real time, bro. So that I can have real reactions. That's why it says the real reacts. Bro, I apologize for missing this part on the previous episode. For those who just tuned into this episode, I reacted to the first segment of the show. Y'all can check it out. I'm sorry, guys. Hey, I guess ngidom kanje. I'm a subscriber. Gone kanje. Because people were saying we unsubscribing this in. I'm sorry. I'm a subscriber. Gone kanje. I go by name the Helmets. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you for the support. Cheers.